Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from Vansuny. This is their 3D NAND SATA SSD in 2 TB capacity, and this is the model number X12. Now, you may be asking, is SSD, SATA SSD in particular worth it in 2025? And I say yes. Right off the bat, because it's great for storage, it doesn't heat up. It is still fast enough to do gaming and apps and even your OS. So if you're looking to maybe upgrade an older computer to SATA or SSD in general, then SATA SSD is still a viable option. We're going to dig into the X12 right now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here again we have a 3D NAND flash SATA SSD 2 TB capacity from Vansuny. So it is going to be SATA revision 3 for up to 6 gigabits per second, or that average 500 megabytes per second read and write speeds. They advertise 500, and we will be doing a speed test on this as well to show you how it fares. Inside the box, we do get a little handout here, and you can look through this. This is just going to show you how to install it if you've never installed a SATA drive before. Very simple, very easy. There's two cables, a power cable and a SATA data cable that will hook up to the drive itself. On the back, they do have some specifications here, and I do want to try to get these in focus. So give me a second to try to get these in focus here so we can take a look at the specs on this. And as you can see, it is serial ATA SATA 3. So hopefully this is going to come out. And you can see the features that we do have are smart APM. We do have LBA, NCQ, and trim, and the read speed again is advertised at 450 to 500 megabytes per second, and the thickness of the drive is 6.8 millimeters. And taking a look at the drive itself, it's thin, easy to install like most SATA drives. You do have mounting holes on the sides and the back, depending on how your mounting plates for your PC or for your laptop are set up. So they do have them on the bottom and also on the sides as well. You do have your two ports there, one for data, one for power, and that's pretty much it. So that is the unboxing of the X12 by Vansuny. Now, before I get to the tests, I do want to mention that I did install Red Dead Redemption 2 on here, and I did install it on the X12 SATA drive, and I had no slowdown, no hiccups in playing the game whatsoever. It still ran at my normal, 4K, 120 hertz, no problems whatsoever running games off of a SATA drive here in 2025. So you're not going to have to worry about not being able to game on this. You're not going to have to worry about not being able to run your applications on this, or even your operating system. Again, if you're going to be maybe upgrading an older laptop to something that needs a faster drive or a bigger drive, then you could take a look at this. This just proves that SATA in 2025 can still run very big and demanding games. So I really wouldn't worry about, is it going to be fast enough to do that? And this video here just proves that I had no issues at all with Red Dead Redemption 2 running on a SATA SSD, namely the Vansuny X12. So of course we do want to run the tests on this as well to monitor temperature and of course speed to see if we're getting the speed indicated by the manufacturer. So I do have Crystal Disk Mark here on the left side to run the tests, and on the right hand side I have Crystal Disk Info. It's going to show me my temperature, the features, again smart APM, NCQ, trim, and GPL are all supported here in SATA 600. So it should be 6 gig per second on this, or up to 550 or 600 megabytes per second. Now they advertise 500 or 450 to 500 megabytes per second, but you can already see that we're well over that 500 megabytes per second. So the test is starting off well. I'm going to fast forward through the test. We'll get to the end of the results. We'll show you exactly what the results are. Okay, so our test has now finished. I think the highest temperature it got was 37 degrees Celsius. It started out somewhere around 26. So it jumped about 10 degrees Celsius. Still not worried about the temperatures on a SATA drive. But the read and write speeds are both well over that 450 to 500 megabytes per second at 552.51 on the read and 520.23 on the write speeds. So this is definitely taking advantage of the full SATA 6 gigabytes with over, again, well over what they have rated it at 450 to 500. So I'm pleasantly surprised with the speeds. And again, no issues with heat and being able to play games or run other applications on the drive. So there you go. That's my review of the Vansuny X12 SATA SSD drive here in 2025. So to answer the question of whether SATA SSD drives are still viable in 2025, I can say a definite yes. It passed my gaming test with Red Dead Redemption 2, and running other applications in my testing have not caused any issues or slowdown whatsoever. If you're looking to upgrade an older device to make it a little bit faster, or you're looking to add extra storage and you don't want to break the bank, then you might want to check out the X12 from Vansuny. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I'll check you guys out on the next one.